Hey guys, it's Christopher Kokoski from writingbeginner.com. Today I want to talk about why should writers start YouTube channels. You might be surprised, so stay tuned. Okay, let's look at why should writers start YouTube channels. If you're like me, you used to scratch your head and not really know how to give an answer to that question. So let's take a look at it. Why should writers start YouTube channels? Well, there's a couple of really good reasons. Because you can build an audience, you can monetize your channel to support your writing, and you can drive traffic, new viewers, new readers to your websites, to your blogs, to your email list, and even to your book pages. I just wrote a blog post about why authors should start YouTube channels. It's on my blog, it's on my website at writingbeginner.com. I'll put the link in the description under this video. But here's the number one reason. I want to talk about the 5 reasons I believe authors and writers should start YouTube channels. Number one reason, you should start a YouTube channel to get noticed. It's about brand awareness. Simply by putting your videos up onto YouTube, you're getting yourself and your books in front of lots and lots of eyeballs. Some of those eyeballs are going to be interested in you and your writing and your books. And it's a wonderful way. YouTube can be a wonderful way to promote yourself so that you stand out from all those other people who aren't into this visual medium. New writers, especially, can exploit YouTube to ramp up your audience faster. Nonfiction authors can use YouTube to also get noticed for the topics that their books are about. Now, here are some tips to grow your channel even faster, even as a new author, even as a new YouTuber. 1, find what's called high volume, low competition keywords. Include those keywords into your title, your tags, and the description of your video. The tool I use to make that completely brainless is called TubeBuddy. It's not that expensive, and it does all of this for you to make sure that your videos get seen by more people. You can get more subscribers. Your videos are showing higher in YouTube search rankings, and it just makes it so simple. I'm going to put the link into the description box under this video so you can check out TubeBuddy. On my blog post, I show a screenshot of what TubeBuddy looks like in the dashboard, at least for the keyword search tool. There's lots of different tools in TubeBuddy, and one of my favorites is the keyword search tool. It'll tell you what people are searching for, how much competition there is for that search term. That's what a keyword is. It's a search term. And how optimized you and your channel are to rank high in search for that keyword. What does that mean for you? That means more people see your videos. More people see your videos, more people might subscribe. Click on the links in your description box, and you'll get more attention and recognition. The number 2 reason writers and authors should start YouTube channels is to drive traffic to your content. Now, that content could be your books, it probably is, but it could also be a blog that you have and that you started on your website. And if you don't have a website yet, please check out my other video about how to start a blog for free and make money. And I have a detailed post on my website about that as well, writingbeginner.com. But driving traffic to your content, your books, your blog posts, and any other content you have out on the web is going to be super helpful for you as a writer. The more traffic you get in front of your books, the more sales you're going to make. The more traffic you get to your website, the more sales you can make through affiliate marketing. That's just recommending products to other people. The more money you can make by monetizing your blog for ads like Google AdSense, or when you get more views on your website, eventually you can upgrade your ad company to a company called Mediavine or others to make even more money. But the more traffic equals a bigger audience, and it equals more money. YouTube has a massive user base searching for information and entertaining videos. So you can fill that gap. Again, the more traffic you get to your content, the more sales you're going to make. And the best way to get more traffic is to create insanely useful or insanely entertaining content based on what YouTube viewers are already searching for on YouTube. Then during your videos, here's what you can do. You can verbally and visually direct people to your content, just like I've been doing. You can say, check out my website at, and then insert your website. That's what I've been doing when I've been saying, hey, I have a blog post posted on my website, writingbeginner.com. You can also include links to your content in the description box underneath the video, just like I do. And in that description box, you can have links to your books, whether they've been on Amazon or other places, to your website, and to whatever else content that you have out there on the internet. And in your videos, you can direct viewers and subscribers to your description box simply by saying, hey, check out the link to my blog post or check out the link to my book in the description box under the video. Now, another way writers can leverage YouTube to build your audience is to direct viewers to a mailing list. And if you don't have a list already, you can create a free one with MailerLite. That's what I use. MailChimp is another one that people use. Now, if you're ready to use an email manager that has lots of more functionality and features that can really help you level up as a writer and your writing income, then check out ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels have lots of features that can really help you in your writing career over time. But if you don't have that budget right now, no problem. Just use the free version of MailerLite and MailChimp. And here's what can happen. You build your mailing list because you own that list. Now, YouTube could change its algorithm, it could shut your channel down, and you lose access to all of your subscribers. But if you direct those subscribers and viewers from your videos over to your mailing list, your email list, once they're on your email list, they're on there forever until they take themselves off or you do. So you get to communicate with them, build a relationship, and sell them your current books and all of your future books forever. That's why professionals who actually make money online, they love email lists. It helps them build credibility, build relationship, and have a long-term income stream with those subscribers. Okay, let's talk about reason 3 of why writers should start YouTube channels. That's to build an audience. We've already been hinting and talking about that, but YouTube is a wonderful platform to build stronger connections with your audience because they can see you, they can hear you. It's the next best thing from you being right there in the room with them. These personal connections can be priceless. Not only are they hugely satisfying as an author, but they also allow you to communicate with your audience almost face to face. Now, here are a few things that you can seek out from your audience. Their favorite type of content that you produce, what they like you to produce, what they don't like you to produce, their biggest challenges, their biggest questions, what are their biggest goals. Collecting that kind of information from your audience allows you to write and produce books, courses, printables, and other products, digital products that you can give them or sell them based on what they already said that they wanted. That is one of the secret strategies of long-term sales to support your writing career. Once you've made about 10, 20, or 30 videos, you can start looking at how many views your videos are getting, how much people are engaging with your videos through comments and sharing. And if you see that one video or one type of video is getting lots more engagement, lots more views, then that can be an indication to you that that's the kind of videos your audience might want you to make more of. So here's what you can do. You can make more of those videos. You can make 3 to 5 more videos about that topic. You know, different videos, different titles, different subtopics around that topic. So one of the things I noticed about my website is that my video on Medium, medium.com, it's a writing platform where writers can get paid to write articles. My video on Medium actually is my most popular video. So that tells me people want to know about Medium from me. So what I can do and what I'm planning to do is to make 3 to 5 more videos around the topic of Medium and then release them and see how they do. If they do well and get lots of views and there's a spike in my subscribers and my views and my watch hours, then I'll probably continue to make more videos about Medium and try to dominate that niche. And then I'll also occasionally experiment with different topics and different videos to see how well they do. Because odds are some other topic and category eventually is also going to spike with more viewers, more subscribers, more engagement with that video on that topic. So then I'll make a batch of videos about that particular category or topic and see how it goes. And then you can follow the views, follow the engagement by creating content that your audience wants. And behind that content, you can create products, services, and books to meet the needs and express wants of your audience. After that, you just rinse and repeat that process over and over again. Okay, let's look at the fourth reason why writers should start YouTube channels, and that's to establish authority. By creating videos on a topic, whatever that topic is, you are demonstrating your knowledge, your credibility, and your experience. People are starting to connect you with that topic, whether that be writing or lawnmower repair. And I'm not making that up. There's actually a YouTube channel about lawnmower repair. And I'm going to show you that video in just a moment. There's actually a YouTuber called the Mower Man, and he has 15,000 subscribers on his channel. He has 280 videos. He has 3.18 million views on this channel about lawnmower repair and starting a lawnmower repair business. This is insane. Now, if this guy can create a channel like this with this much engagement and this much popularity and success, then I know you can do it. Now let's see what he is doing right. He's doing a lot of things right. Now I do want to say that he hasn't posted a new video in a little while because I checked this out earlier. But I think the last videos that he submitted was about 5 months ago before the quarantine. So maybe he's hiding out somewhere. Hopefully he's okay and he'll be back. But even then, even now, he is doing phenomenally well. He is getting subscribers, he's getting views, and he is doing lots of things well. What are the things he's doing well? Well, he's in a super micro kind of niche. He has niched down. He has specialized in lawnmower repair and lawnmower repair businesses. He's picked a specific niche or specific category, and he has dominated it. He has created 280 videos about it, and he has a nice cover art where you can see that he's actually working on lawnmowers. This is an expert in this topic. And also he's called the Mower Man. So he's branded. His channel is branded, his cover art is branded, and he has created lots and lots of content. That's another key to being successful with YouTube and actually really as a writer, creating lots of content and putting it out there, and lots of high quality content. If he can do it, I know that you can do it too. Okay, let's talk about number 5 reason that writers should start YouTube channels, and that is passive income. Passive income. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, you can monetize your site by putting ads on your site. So once you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can put ads on YouTube. I know you've seen that when you've watched other videos on YouTube where there's ads. Well, you could get paid every time people watch your videos that have ads on them. So all you got to do is reach to that level. And how do you reach that level? You put out lots and lots of high quality content over time consistently, and you build your audience. And once you get to monetize it, you get paid to promote yourself and your books. And look at this. It's like getting paid to promote your books where you get paid again, because you can monetize YouTube and you can send your subscribers over to your email list, and then you can monetize your email list by selling them your books and your products and your services and affiliate products. Those, again, that's products that you recommend. And when people buy those products that you recommend, then you get a commission. All you have to do is sign up for affiliate companies like Amazon Associates and ClickBank. Amazon Associates is probably the most popular. It's completely free to join. It's easy to join. They accept everybody. So just sign up with them and on their website, Amazon Associates and ClickBank if you want. And then you can start putting affiliate links into the descriptions under your videos, into your email list, emails that you send out, also on your blog. You can do affiliate marketing. You can saturate your content, video and written content, with affiliate links and ads, because you can put ads on your website too. If you use a self-hosted platform like WordPress and Bluehost, those two go really well together. That's passive income. It's income that keeps coming in week after week, month after month, without you having to do much about it. And you can continue to build that by building more content onto your website, more content on YouTube, getting more subscribers, more people into your email list, and continuing to sell them the products that you already have, and then maybe even make some new products, new books, new products and services over time. It doesn't matter if you write fiction or nonfiction. If you are a fiction writer, what do you make videos about? Well, you could make videos about the topics of your book. You can make videos about writing process, writing tips, writing challenges, writing successes, your writing process. You can talk about how to get published. You can talk about, if you self-publish your books, you can talk about how to do that process. Lots of people are interested in how do they publish their books? How do they make a book cover? How do they get their books loaded onto Amazon or other book repositories? How do they market their books? And if you are traditionally published or self-published, even if it's fiction, you might have something in that book, like a setting, a career of one of the characters that you can talk about, a topic that's in your book, like maybe it's about pets. Maybe your novel's set in the world where there's lots of pets. Or maybe it's a science fiction world and you can talk about science fiction and technology and how that relates to your story. Be a little creative. You're a writer, you can do it. And again, if you want a great simple tool to do that for YouTube, TubeBuddy is my favorite. I use them for every one of my videos. I used it for this video. In fact, this video, when I did the search tool, got 100 out of 100. What does that mean? That means that there's high volume of people looking for this kind of topic, pretty low competition, and my website, my YouTube channel is optimized, is set up to do well. I only want to make videos and I only want to write blog posts on my blog about topics that people are actually searching for and that I have a chance to rank for. High volume, low competition. You get TubeBuddy and it does all that work for you. You just have to make the content that it tells you to make. So those are the 5 main reasons why I believe every writer should start a YouTube channel. Ultimately, the reason why a writer should start a YouTube channel is because you as an author and your work deserve every chance